Hi students, today we are going to discuss a very important topic in organic chemistry, that is from General Organic Chemistry GOC. Previously I explained inductive effect, applications, and today I am going to explain resonance basics. Resonance, well known as mesomeric effect. Resonance or mesomeric effect. Resonance depicted with R, mesomeric effect depicted with M. So first we have to learn the basics in resonance. Basics points we have to learn. Here I given few basics points for you to easily understand the resonance. Chemical structures can be written in two or more forms. As we learned already, we can draw the structures two or more forms. Such different forms we are calling resonating structures or canonical. Resonating structure or canonical structures. Clear? I am taking here benzene ring. Look, you know very well benzene ring. It has alternative double bonded system. Alternative double bonded system. Here we have double bond, here we have double bond, here we have double bond. This is we are calling alternative double bonded system. And we can draw resonating structure of this benzene. Two or more forms we can draw. Two or more forms. And this is resonating structure of benzene. Resonating structure of benzene. And I am getting here like this. See here, two or more forms we can draw. Such different forms we are calling resonating or canonical structure. These two are canonical structures. Resonance depicted with both side arrow mark. Clear? And these resonance structures we can made by shifting of pi electrons. See here, pi electrons we have. This pi electrons I am shifting. How I got this structure means by shifting of pi electrons. This I shifted to here, and this I shifted to here, and this I shifted to here. So shifting of pi electrons gives resonating structures. Clear? So we need pi electrons compulsory. This is one condition. If these resonating structures, these are two resonating, some compounds having more than two also. Such resonating structures are not real structures. These are imaginary structures. Just we are imagining. Why we are imagining like that means to explain the properties. Clear? So resonating structures are not real structures, imaginary structures. Next. None of this or this means first structure or second structure. None of this explain all the properties. This structure or this structure can't explain all the properties of benzene. Why means, look here. In this benzene or in this benzene we have carbon-carbon single bond. And another we have carbon-carbon double bond. Am I right? Carbon-carbon double bond is there. Carbon-carbon single bond is there. See here, double single, double single, double single. Single bond carbon-carbon bond length 154 picometers. And double bond length 134 picometers. 134 picometers. So here we have both the bond lengths. Single bond 154, double bond 134. When different bond lengths are there, properties cannot be explained completely. Actually, practically proved that in benzene, all the bond lengths are same. That's why this resonating structure or this structure cannot be explained. The total properties. Some extent only it will explain. Clear? That is very important point you have to remember. Now, sixth one, mixing of resonating structure or canonical structures gives resonance hybrid. This is a symbol to show the resonance hybrid. These two we have to mix. By mixing of these two resonating or some other compounds having 4, 5, all we are mixing. We are getting a resonance hybrid. Clear? So mixing of all resonating structures gives resonance hybrid. This is we are calling resonance hybrid. Then mixing of resonating structures gives resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid is a real structure. It is a real structure. Resonating structures are imaginary structure. Hybrid is real structure. A real structure can explain all the properties. Am I right? That's why I given resonating hybrid explain all the properties. Why it will explain all the properties means, look here. Here double single. Here double single means bond lengths are different. But here we are not showing. Double bond and single bond are moving on. That's why bond length is same. What is the actual bond length in benzene means? In benzene, carbon-carbon bond length. Carbon-carbon bond length is means in all carbons, not single double. That is 139 picometer. 139 picometer. So in benzene ring, any carbon bond length is, we are getting 139 picometer. So if bond lengths are same, then it will explain all the properties. So remember my dears, resonating structure getting by shifting of pi electrons and hybrid structure getting by intermixing of resonating structure, 2 or more. Resonating structures are not real structures, these are imaginary. Hybrid structure is real structure. This can't explain all the properties, this can explain all the properties. So this is, we have to remember. Clear? Now, we go for some other basic points. To show resonance. To show resonance, molecule must have some properties. Here I explain resonance, resonating structures and how hybrid will form. To show resonance, molecule must have. So I will give the definition for first resonance. What we did here? Shifting of pi electron. Shifting nothing but delocalization. Means one area to another area. So resonance nothing but delocalization. Delocalization of pi electrons. Resonance nothing but delocalization of pi electrons. So here pi electrons are very important in resonance. Clear? So to show resonance, molecule must have pi electrons. Now I am giving here one example to you. that is R CH2 CH3. Look here, all are single bonds, no double bond. That's why pi electrons not there. It can't show resonance. It can't show resonance. And another I am showing here, a cyclic ring with 2 pi bonds. I told that should have or must have pi electrons. Here pi electrons is there, but it will not show resonance. It will not show resonance. And the third example I am giving, CH2 double bond CH2. Here pi electrons are there, but it will not also show resonance. Sir, you told pi electrons are must. Pi electrons is there, then resonance is there. Pi electrons, one of the reason. That is only not the reason. So only pi electron having will not show resonance. Along with pi electrons, some other conditions also it has to satisfy. Remember, my dears, having pi electrons, that is we learned that delocalization of pi electrons is called resonance. Pi electrons is there means resonance is there. Resonance is there means stable. Resonance gives stable. This is not resonance. This is not resonance. Pi electrons is there. But along with pi electrons, the system should satisfy some other conditions also. What are those conditions? Basic requirements. Basic requirements. What are the basic requirements along with pi electrons means? The basic requirement for resonance. Basic requirement for resonance, that is conjugation. What is that? Conjugation. So pi electrons along with conjugation. This is the main word in resonance, not only pi electrons. Conjugation is required. And all atoms should have in same plane, that is coplanar. Coplanar. Atom which involved in the resonance must have in coplanar, means all in the same plane. This is also very important. So pi electrons required. Pi electrons should be in the conjugation. The atom which is in resonance, that should be in coplanar. Coplanar nothing but same plane. Co means same. So conjugation, coplanar and pi electrons. So pi electrons with conjugation. Pi electrons with conjugation. So how can we identify? We have different method when it will be get conjugation. Point number 1. Point number 1. Conjugation means in different terms. Alternative double bonds. Alternative double bonds. See here I am taking CH2, double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH2, double bond CH2. So condition number 1, pi electrons is there. Next condition number 2, conjugation. What is conjugation? Double single, double single. Alternative double single. One double, one single. One double, one single. Coplanar. So all are in same plane only. So all satisfied. Then it will show resonance. That it will show resonance. Look here. I am shifting this pi electrons to this carbon. Immediately here double bond, here double bond 4, 5 bonds, and this double bond is going to be shifted. Then I am getting a new bond here. New structure. CH2. We shifted here. This carbon losing valency. This carbon getting. So losing valency plus charge. Single bond. CH. Here we got double bond. Then again CH. This double bond shifted. Single bond. CH2. When a bond shifted to here, it get negative charge. So double single double conjugation, pi electrons, all are in the same plane, coplanar. Double bond I am shifting to here. Then here 4 bonds you are getting. 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. Against to the octet rule. That's why this bond I am shifting to here. Then this carbon losing its valency. That's why plus. And here single bond and here double bond. This carbon getting its valency more. That's why minus. So plus minus. These two are in resonance. Clear? Next. So first condition is double single, alternative double bond and single bond. That is conjugation. Next. Not only double single, but also double bond with positive charge. Double bond with positive charge. I will show. CH2. CH2. Double bond. CH. Single bond. CH2 plus. CH2 plus. Clear? Look here. Double bond, pi electron. These all are in the same plane, coplanar. If a double bond is adjacent to positive charge, that is in conjugation. So conjugation condition number 1, double single. Conjugation condition number 2, double plus, means double bond with next positive charge. Clear? Now I am getting a resonating structure. Look here. How to shift here? Here electrons are less. So we have to shift the electrons towards less electronegative. Less electrons are there. This carbon losing valency. That's why CH2. CH2. Clear? It get positive charge. Bond CH. Double bond CH2. CH2. Clear? This positive charge vanished. We shifted the electrons. Here we got positive charge. Now these are two in resonance. So here what we have? Double bond along with positive charge. Here double bond, next single bond. Conjugation is due to double single. Conjugation is due to double positive charge. Adjacent, that is the condition. Condition number 3 for conjugation. Condition number 3. Now I am taking double negative charge. Double bond with negative charge. CH2 double bond, CH single bond, CH single bond, CH2 minus, CH2 minus. Am I right? Double negative charge. Here double positive charge. See, here is negative charge. Means we have to shift to here. Then here double 4, 5. So this bond we have to shift to here. Reverse. Then the structure you are getting CH2. This shifted minus, single bond CH, double bond CH2. CH2. Am I right? So this is the condition we have here. Double bond with negative charge. So whenever you address it in the chain, double single alternative, resonance is there. Double positive charge in alternative, means adjacent, that exhibit resonance. Double negative, that exhibit resonance. This is one more condition. Next I am taking another condition. This time double lone pair. CH2 double bond CH single bond NH2 lone pair. Clear? Look here. Double single double positive charge, double negative charge, double lone pair. Double lone pair also showing resonance. Showing resonance. Look here. Lone pair is there. Extra electron. This will be shifted to here. Double, double, 4, 5. Immediately this bond is shifted to here. So high electron density to low electron density we have to shift. Then CH2 we shifted here. We got negative charge. Bond CH, double bond NH2. Double bond NH2. Nitrogen given electron, that's why plus. And it take an electron minus. And what is the condition here? Double with lone pair. Double with lone pair is there. Conjugation is there. Conjugation is there. Resonance is there. Go for another condition I am giving. Condition number 5. Double with lone pair. Double with free radical. CH2. Double bond CH. Single bond CH2 lone pair. Free radical. Free radical. Am I right? Free radical with double bond is there. That is also conjugation. Then I am getting this free radical is going to be shifted. Then you are getting this here. CH2 free radical bond CH double bond CH2. Clear? So here the condition is double bond with free radical. Double bond and free radical are adjacent. You are getting conjugation. Conjugation is there. Resonance is there. Condition number 6. Condition number 6. Without double bond also you can show the resonance. Extreme condition this is. Look here, I am taking CH2 with positive charge bond OH. Am I right? See here, on oxygen lone pairs are there. On oxygen lone pairs are there. So here pi electrons not there. Pi electrons not there. But it shows resonance. This is very important for competitive purpose. Without pi electrons also we can show the resonance. Look here. Positive charge. Electrons, lone pairs are there. Lone pair is shifting to here. What you are getting? CH2, double bond. When we shifted lone pair, this positive charge vanished. Then you are getting O bond H. O given lone pair. That's why it will get positive charge. What it will get? Positive charge. This lone pair is there already. Another one. You remember, my dear, when lone pairs 1, 2, 3, whatever it may be having, only one lone pair can participate in the resonance. Remember, if any atom having 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it may be, 4 not possible generally. One lone pair only can participate in the resonance. This will not participate. This is one resonating structure now. Now, what is the combination? Positive charge with lone pair. So, how to identify resonance in the system means you have to check double single, alternative, double positive, alternative, alternate. That you have to remember. Here double, here positive. Here positive not there. Somewhere we have, that is different. Next, negative with double bond with lone pair, double bond with free radical, positive charge with lone pair. These are the 6 most important conditions to show the conjugation in the system. First you have to remember these all the things, then resonance is very easy to you. So if you know these all, how to shift, then easy to you. Then you can easily go for resonating structure. And in next class, I will explain how to draw the structures, its applications, and where we are using resonance, its stability, all the things. Please, if you like this concept, share with others, subscribe my channel, be safe at home. Thank you.